History of Internet. You all must know about the history of the Internet. The history of Internet began with the development of electronic computers in the 1950s. Later, in 1969, the Department of Defense of the United States of America set up a network of computers called ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. The network connected to one computer in California with 3 in Utah. This was the first step towards the creation of Internet. Let us first come to acquaint ourselves with some of the important terms before going further. World Wide Web. World Wide Web, or simply Web, is a subset of Internet which contains huge amount of information. This information is a combination of text, graphics, audio, video, etc. www allows users to access the data on the Internet. Web page. It is a page on the Internet which contains the information in the form of text, graphics, or sounds. A web page can be accessed through a web browser on the Internet. These pages form the building blocks of website. Web browser. A web browser is a software application that enables the users to access, retrieve, and view the information and other resources on Internet. It displays the web pages. The first browser developed was called the Mosaic. It was developed at the National Center for Supercomputing Applications in the early 1990s. Some of the popular web browsers used nowadays are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and Google Chrome. A website is a collection of interrelated web pages that provide information to the user. For a commercial organization, it enables its potential customers to learn about the organization, its products or services. Some websites allow the user to place orders electronically. Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider, ISP, is a company or an organization which provides access to use the Internet. Some methods of providing the service are through dial-up, telephone cable, or high-speed wireless connectivity. For example, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited, VSNL, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, MTNL. Homepage. A homepage is the main or introductory page of the website. It is the first page which appears when you open a website. It usually contains the table of contents and links to other pages. Hyperlinks. A web page consists of text, pictures, sounds, and hyperlinks. A hyperlink may be a text or picture. It connects the user to other parts of the same web page or other related web pages. Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Uniform Resource Locator refers to the address or the location of a web page or the website on the Internet. Each website on the Internet has a unique address. For example, http://www.google.com is an URL.